that next target, and I'd mentioned PSA, public storage, an objective short trade entry off this bear symmetrical triangle pattern on our breakdown sell signal. I had issued my previous video, and that's been good for a 24% drop there. And again, if you're an active and/or day trader, right at that 305.07, really to the bullseye right here, you could have played as an active and/or day trader. Swung it right back up to 315.33 for a 3% pop. Even went up, popped up briefly above that resistance for another 4.5%. Quick little day scalp, but again, what I'm seeing here is it almost looks like another bear flag formation pattern here. This chart really does look pretty bad here, and this is what I'm seeing here is sort of a flag pull. We'll have a flag pull and another leg down, so we'll see if we even get that. Again, we even broke down off this primary secondary trend line here off the 2021 lows of January. Plenty of reaction validated, snapped that sell signal, and again, we've just have never really looked back. We haven't had any sort of real snapback and/or counter trend rallies. This one has just been completely dead in the water here. So we'll see how some of these resistance levels are up above correlate with the next move and/or maybe the next move down. If I would suspect a bear flag pattern, you could probably expect a perfect measurement here. So you've got your first initial flag full for 13.8% drop. So you measure it 13.54, which would carry us right to that near-term resistance, which is call it 277.77, and that would be that final target if we do continue and have this bear flag formation pattern down to the 277.77. So we'll see if that happens. But again, that's a breakdown sell signal off this primary trend line. And again, here off the weekly, zoomed out even more. I'll even scroll out more in the monthly. Reactionary. Plenty of reaction to validate this here off the COVID crash lows, 2000 great financial crisis lows, and the .com era of collapse here off the lows of the 1991 lows. So plenty of reaction to validate here. Again, I'd suspect a move down, which will correlate with the 200 monthly moving average here, really synchronized with this primary uptrend line. So again, if you're a huge investor and/or holder in public storage, this would be your buy op, in my opinion, to see or some of these dollar cost average targets. But again, if we start to crack down below, call it that 294.57, I'll start to lay out more targets for you, especially when it comes to dollar cost averaging here on public storage. So I'll keep you updated. See any more significance in this stock, I'll keep you updated, and hit that like and subscribe button.